In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record your Miro board using Talktrack, a fantastic feature that lets you create engaging and interactive presentations right inside Miro. Whether you're explaining a project, teaching a concept, or sharing an update, Talktrack makes it simple and professional. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your Miro board either on the web or desktop app. Once your board is ready, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a video icon in the collaboration toolbar. Click it and from the drop-down menu select Record Talktrack. A side panel will appear on the right. Here, you can adjust your microphone and camera settings. Make sure your mic captures your voice clearly, and if you're using a camera, check that your lighting and video quality look good. Once you're happy with the setup, click Start Recording. Now the fun part begins. As the recording starts, move naturally across your board, pan, zoom in, and highlight key areas as if you're giving a live tour. You can explain ideas, walk through diagrams, or present your plan. Just remember, any embedded media or pop-ups won't play in your Talktrack recording, so avoid interacting with those directly. You'll see a small recording toolbar appear. Use it to pause, restart, or stop your session whenever you need. This makes it easy to stay smooth and confident throughout your presentation. When you stop recording, your Talktrack will automatically appear in the right side panel, and a shortcut icon will be placed on your board. You can drag this icon anywhere for better organization, or manually re-add it anytime using the Add to Board option in the panel. And that's it, you've just recorded your very own Miro Talktrack, a professional, interactive way to share your ideas. It's perfect for asynchronous collaboration, training, or walkthroughs. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next Miro tutorial, and happy recording.